Oh, no. Hey, Bandit, listen to this. You know who that is? That's Mr. Evil Knievel. He done snuck in my back door, son, when I wasn't looking. You better flip-flop back here and give me a hand, son, or we're gonna be in a heap of trouble. Please roger that transmission. Hold on to Fred, son. Here comes the cavalry. Howdy, officer.
How you doing? Give me your license manifest, boy.
Manifest.
You know you was going 96 miles an hour?
I doing 96
You damn right you was.
I didn't know this truck could do 96 miles an hour.
When the judge gets to you, boy, he's gonna turn you every way but loose. It's time you truckers learn these roads don't belong to you, boy.
Yeah, I know that. You be careful, you hear? Whoa, want a little piece of advice, Bandit?
Yeah, lay it on me, son.
Don't take your foot off of that hammer, son. Them bears about to fall all over you like maple syrup. 10-4.